Morning world! It has been a while since I've done a video on the channel, pardon me. But today, I'm all dressed in yellow because we've got an unboxing of the Playdate. Let's do it. Alright, so let's dive into a quick unboxing of the Panic Playdate. Now, I've been waiting for this one for a while and it's finally here. This has been a long time coming before they open shipping to Singapore again. So this is done by the company Panic, and it's designed by none other than Teenage Engineering, which also designed this, right? The OP1. But yeah, let's check out the box first. Very simple, made in Malaysia. That's pretty cool. Look at that. And at the back it says, "We made Playdate just for fun. This little handheld game system fits perfectly in a pocket. Screen is black and white, buttons feel great, and a flip-out crank, yes, gives games a whole new spin." The best part, the Playdate has a whole world of original gaming surprises waiting to be delivered directly to you. And of course, made in Panic in cooperation with Teenage Engineering. And yeah, it seems to have finally hit like international sales and stuff. So I'm quite happy about that. Now I just hope it's gonna be as fun as it all looks. Let's open this up and see what we have inside. Let's close that first before we slice ourselves again. Oh, this is pretty cool. Look at that. Alright, and of course over here we have the Playdate, and we have this little thing here that says, "Have fun!" Alright, let's get the manual out first before we take that out. Alright, thank you so much for buying Playdate. To get started, press lock. It's on top. If nothing happens, charge your Playdate with the included USB cable. Of course, here are some of the tips and stuff as well. And of course, regulation information on the back here also. And there we have it. Let's put that back in. Over here we have a very nice yellow colored USB-C cable. And this also says, again, "Have fun." Put that back there. And we have the Playdate over here. Oh, first impressions, it actually feels pretty solid. It feels metallic, kind of. It's not as smooth as you'd have like with the OP1, but of course this is again of a different build. The Playdate over here features, of course, your controller D-pad and BA button with, this is a lock button on the top here, which let's press that, and it says charge. Of course, there's a crank here which you can pull out. Of course, it slots out on the side over here with this thing, right, where you can actually, there's a little slot notch here that you can put the crank in, but you can also crank that like that, and you can also play games with this, which is pretty cool. At the bottom, I imagine it's a microphone or I don't know, a speaker. Is that a speaker? Oh, speaker's here. So the microphone is there. Right now, let's get the cable in and let's see how it is. Look at that. Animation is popping up on the charge, which is pretty cool. And it says Playdate. Look at that. Alright, if you have epilepsy or have had seizures and other unusual reactions to flashing lights or patterns, consult a doctor before playing video games. Skip intro. Intro contains flashing images. No, I want to watch the intro. Let's watch it together, shall we? Whoa! That's pretty cool. Oh, it asks me to press the up button. I just realized that. There we go. Oh, that's pretty cool. Hit the A button, hit the B button. Wow, that's so fun. Don't mind me, I'm holding it off angle because of the reflection of the light. So, and it asks me to pull up the crank now. Whoa, look at that. That's so cool. I've been waiting for this device for a while now because it's really a new form and way of gaming, and I'm excited to play this. Hello, welcome to the Playdate. We're glad you're here. Let's do a little setup to get started. To set up your account. Alright, let's connect to a Wi-Fi, and I'll get to the scene where it's done connecting. After connecting to the Wi-Fi, it asks me to register my device. And it's now checking for an update, and it's downloading the latest 2.1.0 update to the Playdate. Alright. Alright, update is complete. Press A to continue, and we go into the Playdate screen. Applying the system update with a little bit of a firework animations over there, and should be done fairly soon, I guess. Okay, I was wrong, it took a while, but now it's back up. What time is it now, it asks. I'm gonna just set the time. Okay, and would you like to send metrics to make Playdate better? Sure, yeah. And of course press A to play. Oh, this is so cool. Wow. It doesn't have a backlit screen. That's on the first thing that I've noticed. And of course, it comes with season 1 of games. I think it's a 24, was it? Games or something like that. And let's see, the first game, unwrapped. We get white water wipeout. That's so cool. And the second one, woo! Yo, casual birder. Let's try white water wipeout, just so you have an idea of how games work on the Playdate. Because you might be wondering how is this supposed to work. And press A to start. I will crank forever. Oh, whoa, whoa. Am I supposed to? How's that supposed to? Oh no, do better. How's it supposed to work? Crank to burn. Yo. Whoa. Oh, okay. I think I'm getting it. Yeah. Okay, unawesome. It's gonna take some time to get used to this. Hey. Is that how it's supposed to work? I don't know really. I'm not supposed to go onto the... Clearly not a surfer, right? Use L and R to turn faster. Really? Can I use this? Okay, but anyways, there we go. This button, you can control, of course, the volume, the home button over here, and take a screenshot as well. Let's go home and let's try out Casual Birder. Alright, new game. Start new game. Yes. What's supposed to happen in this game? I wonder. Oh, it's like a story-ish kind of game. That's very cute. Yeah, I'm afraid it's not in focus, is it? I don't know. I'm trying to... It's not entirely in focus. I'm not sure if... Okay, but you get the idea, right? So this is kind of how the games are gonna be like. It really gives you a pretty cool... Oh, it also tells me my battery level, which is like 37%. So that's pretty cool. Let's see what settings show us. Settings will have, of course, our... That's it. That's pretty cool. Alright, but yeah, I just wanted to show you a quick demo of what goes on with this. And if I lock the screen, it actually shows a little clock over there. I'm just gonna put that here, and I'm gonna show you what else it came with. So I bought the case for it as well, and of course it came with this that says Playdate Sleeping, and it tells you like if it doesn't work, plug it in. If it still doesn't work, paperclip reset it, which is pretty cool. And they actually provided a paperclip here, and they say that yeah, they teach you how to do it pretty much. PS, the paperclip is yours to keep. So that's pretty cool. I like this. It's a pretty nice touch. Let's open this up as well to show you how it will look like. There we go. And just show you the box a little bit as well. Here is the cover for the Playdate. And I got the aqua color for this as well. Just pop your Playdate into this magnetic cover, flip the flap to keep your Playdate protected in your pocket. Perfect. Alright, let's open this up and see how it goes, how the Playdate fits into this cover. Alright, I bought it with the cover, so technically it was a little bit cheaper, a little bit, but it's just an upsell for for this thing here. And how it works is I'm going to leave that plugged in, right? If you look at the back, there are notches here on the Playdate, and there are notches here as well. And it is it's magnetic, which is pretty cool. That's it. And whoa, I like the color contrast on this. It's pretty nice. And yeah, that is pretty much what I've got today, which is the Playdate unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, Playdate. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing of the Playdate. I'm quite happy to have gotten this, and yeah, I'll be trying out most of the games as it's released week on week. I think I'll be purchasing some games as well, since I think there's a sale coming up, so that's pretty cool. And then seeing how that will work with this device. I am pretty happy because I've been waiting for this for a while. It's supposed to be a very different type of gaming. A lot of people think that it's a stupid ass idea. A lot of people think it's an awesome idea. I love it pretty much. Also, the fact that it's designed by Teenage Engineering makes it way cool. So yeah, happy to have gotten this, and as always, do drop a comment, give me a like, subscribe, and as always, see you in the next episode. Bye bye.